Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video, guys. I'm holding my mic today because they are walking around my compound, so the noise is too much. And I pray this mic try to remove the noise around this vicinity. So, guys, today is a long awaited video. I've been procrastinating. I want to make this video. I want to make this video. I want to make this video. But I couldn't because I wanted to make this video with my husband beside me so that we can as well do this together. But I tried anytime we are ready. Either there's one thing, one distraction or the other, and hobby goes to work, so his work schedule is not working. Let me put it that way. It's not working for us to make this video. So I've waited, but still yet there is no good time. I decided to make this video alone. You're welcome to another video. My name is Chiwonyemechi. You're welcome to Chiwonyemechi's TV. If it's your first time dropping, if it's your first time coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. Please don't make it your last. Subscribe, like, leave your comments in the comment section. Share our videos to all your social media platforms. We'll really be grateful about that. Today's video is a long awaited video, like I said before, because we are going to be doing little unboxing of the gift that was gifted to baby when I gave birth to her. So there are few gifts that was gifted to her, though I've been using some because I told you it's a long awaited video. It's a long awaited video, so I've used some, but the ones I've not used or the ones I've not unboxed it, let's unbox it together. And I'm going to be revealing the name of baby. I did baby's naming and I didn't tell you guys her name because I don't know, when we're filming that video, we're so concentrated that we forgot to check if the video was playing. But at the end of it, we noticed the video ended just when we're doing praises. When they were doing the actual naming, the video was not playing, so my bad, forgive me. Today I will be unboxing this few gifts with you guys, and I'm also going to be revealing baby's name officially. I'm still going to review baby officially, though I know you guys have been seeing her in few of my videos, but I've not officially presented her to you guys, which is to you guys because you people are part of our family. So if we increase, you have to know anything we do in this family, at least is your right to know. Is your right to know. So we are going to officially unveil baby today. We are going to officially introduce baby to the channel. Before, she has been stealing the show. She has just been popping one. She has just been popping here and there. But today we are going to give her the permission. Officially, we are going to give her the mantle to be appearing very well in this channel. Guys, let's just start with our unboxing and we digress further. Okay, so guys, these are few of the gifts, like I said before, that was gifted to baby. First of all, we are going to start with this one. This one was gifted to her in the hospital. This was what was gifted to her in the hospital. So if you give birth in Italy, I don't know your region how they do it, but in my region, which is Cuneo, this was what was gifted to her. So another thing that was gifted to her was baby pampers, baby towel, baby cotton wool, and I think some of things to use in taking care of her navel. So those are some of the things that was also provided in the hospital. So but this is the main gift. So let's unbox it. So here they gave us they wrote a card. They gave us a card which says born in Cuneo, un piccolo dono per un grande momento. Per un grande momento. See, my Italian is not clear, but I'm going to translate this what was written, I'm going to translate it and put it below the video. So this is it. It is what it is. Baby is already sleeping. You can see her, she's already sleeping, and I wanted her to show her face, but look at her here. We are doing this video together. So in here, what is in here is, wow, wow, this is beautiful. Born in Cuneo. This is beautiful. So guys, this is actually what is our baby number 4. She's a month old today. That's why I said that is a long awaited and expected video. Let's keep this. So our second gift is this one from a family friend. You know OVS, you know the brand. So I believe they got this gift from OVS. So this gift came from a family friend. Let's unbox. Okay. Wow. These are what is in here. So a pair of jeans are very beautiful. Very beautiful. Another one. So, wow, I love this. This is so beautiful. This is another shirt. This is a shirt. And this is another leggings or a trouser. This is from another family friend. So this is what is in here. Wow. This is another pin down, be whatever. Okay, like I said, I've started using some of it. So this is from 0 to 6 months, while this is from okay, this is from 5 months to 12 months. That's from 5 months to 1 year, while this is from 0 to 3 months. Yes, this is from 0 to 3 months. So I have to start using this one. You can see I've removed one already. I have to start using this one. So it's 4 in a pack. I've removed one. Wow, this is beautiful. This is another beauty. Another one. This is from 18 to 24 months. That means a year and something to 2 years. That you can use this one from a year to 2 years. If you're watching my video, thank you and God bless. So what another gift was this water bottle. So beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, she gave us 2 pairs of hose. Two pairs of hose. Wow, she brought plates for baby. 1, 2, 3, 4 bowls. Wow, another water bottle. Another water bottle, very beautiful. At least baby can start using this one from 6 months. Sorry guys, it fell. It's a gift because there's something that came. Some of the clothes that was bought was also actually the same clothes that I've gotten for her before. Like this cover cloth is now, I now have it too. So the same person that bought this gift also bought exactly the same cover cloth. Exactly the same cover cloth. So it's now, guys, I'm going to be telling you guys baby's name. But before I tell you guys her name, I'm going to share a little bit story with you guys. So the name, baby's name, was actually given to her by my husband. But later we agreed on it together and we named her that name. So my 3 kids, the first 3, that's Emmanuel, Amanda, and Greatness, I was the one that named those 3. I was the one that named those 3. Though Hobby gave them his own name, but the one they are actually or really bearing is the one I actually gave birth to them, because those names were revelational. They were revealed to me. So baby's name actually was given to her by Hobby. Her name, her English name is Zaina. Her English name is Zaina, or it can also be pronounced as Zana. Zanna. I'm going to write it down. Her English name is Zana, which means God's gift. So baby is a gift from God. Why I said she's a gift from God, I know all babies are gifts from God. I know my other three kids are also gifts from God. But she is so special because her name, um, when we're her conception, let me put it that way, I don't even know how to go about it. Her conception was never a struggle. No, her conception was never a struggle. We're not even trying. I told you guys in my previous video that I came into Italy to enjoy myself for a while, even though I know that I'm going to give birth to baby number 4. But I wanted to first of all enjoy myself. But I said something. I said when man proposes, God disposes. So I never expected it. We never expected it. So even though that period things were still a little bit difficult for I and my husband because we just came into Italy. But hubby decided to give her Zena, which means God's gift. So she's a gift from God. Even when we're not expecting it, she is a gift. This baby opened door. He opened, I said she opened doors for my husband. She opened doors for me. She brought favor into the home. She brought favor into the home. So that's why we name her God's gift, because she's indeed a gift from God. And if you can look at her, she's so pretty. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. You can see her. She's so beautiful. And her second name is Isioma Sinachi, which is her Igbo name. So I'm from Africa, I'm from Nigeria, and we are from Igbo. My husband is Delta Igbo, while me, I am from the main Igbo, that means Anambra State. So we name her Isioma Sinachi, which means good head is from God. Indeed, her head is good. I know people say, is there any child that has bad head? No child has bad head. Please don't come for me in the comment section. There are things that unveiled when I gave birth to this child. So many things was unveiled in the life of my husband. Things my husband was struggling to get, things my husband found difficult to get. The month I gave birth to this child was everything started falling into place. When I was pregnant for this child, in fact, the time of delivery, so many revelations came. So many revelations came about my enemy giving up at the verge of delivery. Even I got revelations about it. My mom called me, my siblings called me, my pastor called me, even church members. The name Isioma meaning what enemy tried and everything they did, because of she has chosen she wants to come to this world. She actually this came. Is our baby. So mama, yeah, okay. So yeah. Ignore our cardigan, no. We are in winter, the weather is cold. Mama, say hello, guys. Say hello to the camera. So this is our baby Zena Isioma Sinachi. Hubby gave her Zena, or you can call her Zana, Zanna, God's gift, Isioma Sinachi, and I gave her Chikaima. So Chikaima. So it is only God that I know in Igbo. So Chikaima. So her name is Zena Isioma Sinachi. So Chikaima. Mommy, say hello to the family. Say hello. Hello guys, and we are 1 month old already. Guys, we are 1 month old. We are growing bigger. Baby is 1 month already. So that is it, guys. So say congratulations in the comment section. Say baby, you're welcome. So her name is baby Zena. If I call her Zena, people say no, in the form of the spelling is Zana. Zana. But to me is in Italian it is called Zena. But if you want to put it in English form, it is called Zana. So is Zana Isioma Sinachi Sochi Kaima. That is her name. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching up to this extent. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. So baby Zana is saying hello. So I'm now officially a mom of four. So we have officially introduced her. So I'm introducing her to you guys now. So this is her. This is baby Zana Isioma Sinachi Sochikaima. So we've introduced her to the family. So tell her welcome in the comment section. Mommy, they need to tell you welcome, is that not? So when we call her baby again, I'm going to be calling her name now on this channel. Okay. She said tell me welcome. She said tell me welcome. Let me see light. Ooh. She said tell me welcome in the comment section. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.